What's up? I posted a video a while back unboxing my new Kimber 1911. This is a reliability update at 125 rounds. That's right, 125 rounds, and it's already worth talking about. But they may not be the gun's fault. So I'm going to go over what happened, what condition the gun was in, what kind of mags and ammo I was using. So first time I shot it, it was fresh out of the crate. Brand new, never been cleaned, never been lubed, never even got taken down. Straight to the range, put 50 rounds through it. I was using PMC 185 grain, jacketed hollowpoint, and Federal 230 grain, full metal jacket. I was using one of the 7-round Kimber mags that the gun came with, and 2 8-round Wilson Combat mags. 3 malfunctions. At least 2 of the malfunctions occurred with the 185 grain. I think all 3 did, but I'm not totally sure. I wasn't paying that close attention. But I do know at least 2 of them happened with the 185 grain. Same story with the mags. At least 2 of the malfunctions happened with the Wilson mags. I think all 3 did, and I think it was just one of the mags that was having problems. So my guess for the first 3 is that it was either a mag issue or the gun was just getting choked up on the 185 grain before it was fully broken in. All the malfunctions consisted of me firing a round, the slide not going fully back into battery, and the next round not chambering correctly. Let the bullet drop out, then it would chamber the next round no problem. Next time, 50 rounds, Federal 230 full metal jacket, no problems. Third time, just 25 rounds, still didn't clean it, but I put a little bit of oil on it. A variety of different 230s, but I'm almost certain that it was the mag this time. So that was a 10-round Wilson Combat mag. I ran that mag a total of 3 times that day, and it malfunctioned on 2 different guns, and those were the only 2 malfunctions I had that day. Now, Wilson Combat mags are considered by pretty much everybody one of the best mags to use on the 1911 platform. But in my case, so far at least, 4 Kimber malfunctions in total, at least 3 of them came from Wilson Combat mags. And yeah, this 10-rounder just seems... 125 rounds is not a lot at all. So I'm going to be turning this into a short series with updates on malfunctions and the exact conditions they occur under, with round counts on the Kimber and the Springfield 1911. If you're a fan of the muzzle flash that comes out of the gun when you pull the trigger, be sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up.